Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to walk through how to restart your Mac in recovery mode. Whether you need to troubleshoot issues, reinstall macOS, or perform maintenance tasks, recovery mode is a powerful tool that every Mac user should know how to access. Step 1. Accessing recovery mode. First things first, shut down your Mac completely. If it's on, go to the Apple menu in the top left corner and choose Shut Down. Step 2. Starting in recovery mode. Once your Mac is powered off, press the power button to turn it back on. As soon as you hear the startup sound, press and hold down the Command and R keys simultaneously on your keyboard. Keep holding them down until you see the Apple logo or a spinning globe appear on the screen. This indicates that your Mac is starting up in recovery mode. Step 3. Entering recovery mode. After a brief moment, you'll be greeted by the macOS Utilities window. Here, you have several options depending on what you need to do. Restore from Time Machine Backup. If you have a Time Machine Backup, you can restore your system from here. Reinstall macOS. This option lets you reinstall the operating system without affecting your files. Disk Utility. Use Disk Utility to repair or erase your disk if necessary. Step 4. Exiting recovery mode. Once you're done with recovery mode tasks, simply choose Restart or Shut Down from the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen to exit recovery mode. Conclusion. And there you have it. Restarting your Mac in recovery mode is straightforward and can be incredibly useful in troubleshooting various issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.